Okay, this is a past paper question on coordinate geometry. It's number 1 on the worksheet. It says that A and B are the points 4, -7 and -2, 3. Part 1 is very straightforward. It says find the midpoint of those. So you can use the midpoint formula. That's totally fine. I just tend to look and see. So I think we're calling the midpoint P here. I just look and see what's halfway in between 4 and -2. And that's going to be the coordinate 1. What's halfway in between -7 and 3? So -7 and 3 are 10 apart. I hope you can see that. So kind of if you go 5 either way, you would end up then with the coordinate -2. So that then is going to be your point P. Part 2 then says find the equation of a line through P which is perpendicular to AB. So to find the equation of a line, we always need a point on the line and we need the gradient of a line. If we find the gradient of this line here between A and B, then find the negative reciprocal, that'll be the gradient of the other line, and we can sub it in and find our equation of a line that we need. So let's find the gradient of the line AB. So that's going to be y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So that gives me 10 over -6, which cancels down then to -5 over 3. So that's the gradient of AB. The gradient then of the perpendicular to AB then is going to be 3/5. We now know the gradient of the line. We know a point on the line, so we can sub it in. You can sub it into y equals mx plus c, or you can sub it into your other formula, y minus y1 equals m upon x minus x1. So we get y minus -2, so it's -2 equals 3/5 upon x minus 1. So it's going to be y plus 2 equals 3/5 x minus 3/5, and I'd rearrange that as y equals 3/5 x minus 2 and 3/5.